Hi, it's Dougie from Valto. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to create a custom color theme in your Power App. So people that are getting started with Power Apps will realize that there's only a certain amount of out-of-the-box kind of theme colors that Power Apps will give you. And you will want to be able to brand your app to your corporate colors. Now, rather than going through and having to sort of create all the sort of colors individually, and then what happens if all of a sudden you go through a sort of change of your kind of brand colors or something like that, and it means you've individually got to go through and change all the colors. Now, a workaround to this is to create another page inside of your app, kind of like a hidden page that I'm just calling styling here. And then you can add some icons to the page. So this would actually work with actually any icon, but in this case, I'm just going to use a rectangle icon. And I've called that particular icon my primary color. So that's what I'm going to use as a reference later. I've also got a secondary color. Now I've just put a label above both as well, just to explain. So when I come into here, I know which one's my primary color and which one's my secondary color. Now that I've set my primary color, I can go onto one of my screens, I can select an area that I want to change the background color for, and in the property for fill, I'm going to now type in my primary color dot fill. And now that's set that color to the same primary color as on my styling page. Now, if I was to then change that, so I've now applied that both on all of my different screens. Whereas if I was to change that color now, so say for example, we're no longer using a green color, we're now going to use a blue color as our primary color. Now that will then reflect throughout my whole app. So now everywhere that I've applied that primary color will then reflect that blue color.